Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Tesla Model Y side mirror cover. First, collect all necessary items, including a new mirror cover and a plastic pry tool. It is crucial to power off your Tesla Model Y completely before you start. Also, consider using painter's tape to protect the surrounding paint from accidental scratches during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free replacement. Now, let's remove the old, damaged cover. Take your plastic pry tool and carefully insert it into the small gap between the mirror cover and the housing. Gently work your way around the edges, applying light pressure to release the internal clips. You should hear a few soft clicks as they disengage. If there are any wires, carefully disconnect them before fully removing the cover. With the old cover off, it's time to install your new one. First, if applicable, carefully reconnect any electrical wiring to the new mirror cover. Next, align the new cover precisely with the mirror housing. Once aligned, apply firm, even pressure around the edges. You should hear distinct clicks as each clip engages, indicating a secure fit. Double-check that it sits flush with the vehicle. For the final steps, thoroughly inspect the newly installed mirror cover. Ensure it is perfectly flush with the vehicle's body and that all clips are securely engaged, leaving no gaps. Then, power on your Tesla and test the mirror's adjustments, along with any integrated turn signals or other features, to confirm everything works correctly. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.